Hey everybody, it's the Home Dad. We're back again for another video. Today we're going to be making homemade pizza. From scratch, starting with the dough all the way up. In the big bowl here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter along with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And here I have 1 teaspoon of each of salt, parsley, granulated garlic, and onion powder. And then over here I have 1 cup of water with a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and a packet of dry active yeast. And we're going to give that 10 minutes or so to... Alright everybody, as you can see our yeast has activated. We're going to go ahead and put our butter and olive oil mixture in. Like so. Put that over in the sink. We're going to put our water and yeast mixture with a little bit of sugar in there. Like that. And then we're going to give this a real good mix. And I'll finish mixing this and I'll bring you back. Like I said before, my tripod broke, so I'm doing this all by hand. No tripod. So let me mix this up and I'll bring you back when the dough is complete. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, there's our dough. I put it on 2 sheets of wax paper. And all I'm going to do is put another sheet of wax paper on top of it. And I'm just going to flatten it out. I want it to be about 1/4 inch to a little less. This will make pretty close to a 18-inch pizza if you wanted a flat crust. And I'm going to get this all mashed out, and I'll bring you back when I lay it on my pan. And go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees, because once this is on the pan, you're going to want to bake this for 5 minutes before you put all your toppings on it. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, we're back. This is what we got. It's not beautiful. We're not after beautiful, we're after how good it is. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be delicious. I got it all set out. I got the oven preheated to 375. And we're going to get this in there and we're going to see what we come out with. Stay tuned when we put the toppings on, everybody. It's going to be great. Alright everybody, we're back. You can see it's fluffed up a good little bit. So we're going to add our toppings. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, so bear with me. Just your normal tomato sauce. You can make your own, spice it up, but this works for us. Marinara would be better, but I don't have any. So we make and eat what we have. Alright, got that done. Now we're going to add our cheese. This is just a blended cheese. Get everybody on there nice and happy. Oh yeah. Put some more on there. It's looking a little light. What do y'all think? Can't go wrong with more cheese. get these at a local butcher shop. Like $2 for 3 or 4 pounds of them, and my son loves them. I love them. They're great on Ritz crackers and pizza. There we go. The next thing we're going to do is onions. We like onions. There we go. Now just remember, these are your pizzas and you can put whatever you like on them. More onions, less onions, mushrooms, black olives. We would do that, but this is what we got. Alright, that'll do it. There's our pizza, and let's put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and she'll be done. I'll bring you back and let you know what it looks like. Stay tuned, everybody. Alright, everybody, we're back. Our pizza has been baked, and man, does it look good. You can see the crust, if you can hear this. Nice and crunchy on the outside. That's a homemade pizza, everybody. Hope y'all enjoyed. And God bless. Please subscribe.